Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the essentials, now start. First, confirm Docker Desktop and NET SDK 7 Plus are installed and open your ASB, NET Core project folder. Create a Docker file at the project root and choose a Linux runtime image such as MCR, Microsoft, com/.net/ASP.NET 7, 0. Next, add a working directory, copy csproj, restore, then copy the rest of the source. These early steps set build caching and speed. Once done, you'll be ready to optimize with a multi-stage build. You'll now construct the build stage and produce the final image. In the Docker file, start with MCR, Microsoft, com/.net/SDK 7, 0 to restore and publish using .NET Publish C release o/app/publish. Then switch to the smaller runtime image for the final copy. Expose port 80 and set ASP.NET Core URLs equals http://+80 so the container listens correctly. Build the image with docker build tmyapp 1, 0. Make sure caching works by separating restore and copy steps because that dramatically speeds repeated builds. You're at the finish line, run and publish. Start the container with docker run rm p5000 80e ASP.NET Core environment equals production myapp 1, 0 so you can browse at localhost 5000. If you have multiple services, create a Docker Compose. Iml and use Docker Compose upd. When ready, tag and push to a registry. If things go wrong, check Docker PS and Docker logs container ID first. Make sure ASP.NET Core URLs matches your port mapping and that no host port conflicts exist. This usually resolves 90% of issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.